So if you have a rotated brush, there are several ways that you can use the product, especially if you own an electric driven brush. The electric driven brush has the advantage that you can brush without water, so you can use the same method as a manual brush. You spray it on with a sprayer at the correct dilution, you brush without water, and in the end you just connect the water and you rinse it off from the modules. It's quite simple, quite effective on water, and it's another method that the usual water-driven rotative brushes don't allow. The water-driven ones, we advise to use the dosatron once again, using the dosing pump, because with the bypass you'll be able to choose when you have product and when you don't have, just have clean water. So you start with the bypass closed and you brush the product on the modules. In these cases, we advise to increase the dilution of the product to twice or 3 times the normal dilution, because you'll be using more product on the modules, so you don't need to have it so concentrated. So you just increase the dilution more than usual, spray it, brush it on with a brush, open the bypass, get the clean water, and you just rinse it off, and you're done. So although rotative brushes seem similar, having an electric or a water-driven one will limit or give you more options on the way to use the product.